Yes. Any questions? Any answers on regarding that?
So interface will connect almost, it is a connecting thing, right? It is a interface means it connects. So when it connects, I feel that it doesn't connect to what you are asking. It connects to everything. You have to pick what you want.
What do you mean by connect? Who said it is connecting?
Um, it is um, it is like a it is like a bridge. Can we say that word?
Hmm.
I mean,
Bridge? Do I say it like that?
no, sir, not you. I mean, it's not about what you said in the class. The term interface, the English meaning of it is like it is between two things, right?
Interface, it can be a blueprint, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes.
So that means you are not at all understanding the concept of interface at
No,
all.
sir. I understood. I was trying to. No, I'm clear with that interface concept. When you're asking a question like this, I'm trying to see in what way I can answer. But please don't misunderstand that I didn't understand. I understood the concept.
Okay. No, go ahead, Saishri. See, the point is like you want to articulate in your
So
way.
there are 1100 methods, and you just want to access one. You want to use only one method,
Correct.
but it is built in such form that you have to run 1100.
You got muted, Saishri.
Yeah, so we have to run those 1100 in order to execute that one. That's how it is built.
Yeah, so that's I understand. So that's what Indira was also saying. It was a rule. I completely agreed about it. If you have an interface of 1,000 methods, if you're implementing that interface into a class, 100% you need to implement all the methods. There is no doubt at all. Okay. So 1,000 methods you need to give a body into that particular class. Now my question was, I need to use only one method. Why do I need to do all these 1,000 methods? The people are saying like, it is a rule. Yes, agreed. But there should be a purpose of it, right? I want you to know about it. Why I need to do that? What is the purpose of it? What will happen if I did not do that? Okay. Everyone says it's a rule. Yes, sir, it is a rule. But why? Why it is a rule? Okay, if you are crossing the red light, that means like you will make an accident. So for your safety, the people are saying like you should not cross the red light. That is the purpose. They said the rule, you should not cross the red light. Okay, everyone knows about it. You need to know why it is also, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I'm trying to make you understand why I need to do that. Would it be possible or not? Anyone?
Possible means, is it possible to only?
Would it be possible? Do I need to do only one method or not?
Yes, it is possible, but we
It is
don't know
possible
why
means
would we do.
possible means like I can do only one method
Yeah, you
Yes.
can only take only one method. That is
out
possible.
of 1,000 methods.
Yes,
Yes.
that is.
So are you sure? Is it I can take one method? I can able to run the program.
Yes.
Yes.
Who is saying yes?
Me, Saurabh, Paulomita, and Leela also.
Leela. Okay, three people are there. Okay. We'll see. We'll see the people. Okay.
Okay.
My question was, I have 1,000 methods. In that, these three guys are saying, if you want to use only one method, I can able to implement only one method. Rest of the 999 methods I do not need to implement, even though my program will run. That's correct.
Yes, yes,
So my understanding is correct.
yes.
So Palamita, Saurav, and then who is that? Yes, Leela Prasad. He is saying these three people are saying yes, you can do that. Okay. We'll see. Indra, is these people are correct?
In interface, we have to always implement. That is the rule. Then
Okay.
maybe it
Not
really
maybe.
overcome. I
Correct
don't know.
or not. So if you if they say like you can implement only one method, rest of the 999 methods you can leave it and you can run the program. That's what they are saying.
Yes.
So now tell me, is these guys are correct or not?
No.
No. Okay, that's fine. We'll see. Harsha.
Sir.
So these three guys are saying yes and Indra saying no. Which one is correct? You belongs to the which party? Is these guys or Indra's party?
Yes, I think these three.
You are in with the Saurav, Polamita, and Leela Prasad, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, some people. Okay, let's see. Nageshwari. Okay, the same question. You belongs to the which party? Either 4 or 1.
4.
So 5 people. Okay, that's good. Monica.
I don't think we can do it.
Okay, you will belongs to the Indira, right?
Yes.
So 2 and 5. Okay. And Sai Shri.
I will say Saurav and Paulamita.
Okay, 6 and 2. Okay. Now Lavanya.
Saurav Anna.
7 and 2. Okay, Joshna.
Anna, I think no, but can I give one explanation, Anna? Because I've gone
Yes
through
or no?
that.
Yes or no?
No, Anna.
Okay, 3 and 7. Okay, last Vignesh.
So I think no, sir.
No. Okay. So 4 people and 7 people. Okay. So in the 4 people, can anyone share the screen? We'll see.
I'm sharing.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, this is a first interface.
Okay, very good. So you have 4 methods. So the 7 guys, so you said like, we have 4 methods here. I can
Yes.
able to implement one method. I can able to run the program. There is no problem at all. That is
Yes.
what
No.
it is, right?
Yes.
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 Okay, go and create a class, new class. Can you create, Indra?
Okay.
Okay, implements. Test interface. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Add another methods. Remove 3.
No, we can't do it here. We can't remove 3 here, but we can call one method only in a separate class. The one method from that interface only, but in a separate class.
Okay, that is what we are doing, right? Remove 3.
Okay.
Remove 3 methods, Indra. So this is only one method is there, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you want, we can remove the override also. You can remove the override also. The people will get confused if they want, because we did not discuss the concept. Okay. Now, can you able to run the program only this practice rightly?
No.
No.
So the 7 people are saying like, it is possible.
Can't.
It is possible.
Yeah, we have done it.
We have done it actually.
Am I doing any magic? No, right?
No.
Whatever there is the same in the eclipse, I'm showing with you, right? If you are doing something, means you are doing some magic then.
No. If can I say what to do?
Yeah, no. The point is like, this is what you said, right?
Yeah, it is
Actually,
possible actually,
it is possible.
but the process is different.
See, guys, I asked you, I have these many methods. I can able to implement only method. You people are said yes.
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 So this is what it is.
No way.
Did I ask you some other different question and you said yes? No, right?
You
No.
asked if it is possible or not. We said yes.
But it has
It has
process
separate
is
steps.
different.
There are a lot of steps in between, but it is possible.
and
Yes.
it took us 2 hours to discover that.
What?
Yes.
So you are writing a new Java. And then
No, we didn't write anything huge, but it took us 2 hours
Understand and
to
think,
understand and
find a way out.
implement.
okay, so you wanna share?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Sort of go ahead.
Indira, yeah, because I too can learn, I too don't know basically. Let's see. Then if you're we'll see.
It is possible.
Yeah, that's
So-
fine. That's excellent.
This is interface 1 with add, mul, and string,
Yeah, 3 methods. Interface.
and interface 2 with
Another 3 methods.
yeah, sub div
There is
and
only
name
one
is the same.
interface podum. Okay, there is. I don't want to go to the 10 method, 10 interfaces. Only one interface. Some
Okay.
X method.
Yeah.
Do I need to do X minus 1 or not?
But actually, I have already done so much that I have to delete so much. That
Okay,
is
then
why.
okay, that's fine. You
Please
have
cope up
interface
with
1
it.
and interface 2. Let it be.
So I have implemented both of them, and all these methods are here. Okay. Then I have created another separate class with abstract word, this word, and I have extended the I1 here. Now I can call only one of them. No problem.
What is? Did we discuss about what is abstract here?
Abstract is a class which is hidden from other classes, and it doesn't have any constructor.
Okay. So what is the use of this abstract class?
If we want to hide any class, if we want to hide any method or any class from other classes, we can use that.
That means choosing from a lot of.
Without abstract also we can do that.
Or we can choose from a lot of methods which one, only one we can use.
Wait.
In
Actually,
that case,
without abstract also we can do that.
Hold on. Don't confuse me, okay?
Saurabh, please remove that abstract also we can do that.
Oh, okay. That's really great. Excellent. So
There
this
is no
what it is,
abstract.
Srinath Prasad. You are so good. Okay, remove the abstract.
Yeah. Remove the abstract.
okay, even without this, we can do it.
Without abstract also we can do that. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now it's correct.
What did you do here?
Yeah, see.
One second. Sorry, wait. What did you do here? Public class I2 extends I1. Did you implement anything here? You are telling the
We are
inheritance.
extending
We are
class.
already implementing all those methods in I2 class. I1 class.
My question was, I have some methods in interface. Do I need to implement or not in a class? I did not talk about any abstract class. I did not talk about anything. I said clearly, I have interface of X methods. I need to implement those x minus 1 method in the class. Can I able to do that or not?
Yeah, here I have call only one method from inheritance one.
See, I'm not talking about inheritance, Saurav. We are talking about clearly
Sorry,
implement.
interface. Sorry, interface, not inheritance. Sorry, interface.
Where is the implements over there? In the line number 3, there is any implements?
No,
Line number
3.
3. Okay, no.
you are
But we
extending
are
the
talking about
class
the inheritance,
here.
right?
In 1.java, you are calling all the methods from interface 1 and 2, right?
See, we are talking only about the interface. We are not talking about the inheritance. Go i1.java.
Yeah.
Now, can you go a little bit top? Now talked about here, like, you have implemented 2 interfaces. In this interface, do I need to implement only one method? Rest of the methods I can ignore. Can I able to do that or not?
Yeah, it will show error.
It's not possible. Yeah.
So this is what the point we're discussing, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Abstract is a totally different concept. We did not touch at all. So whatever the things we are learning as of now, I'm talking about only those. We are not going apart from that. Abstract, everything is a different concept, which there are advantages, disadvantages, everything is different. It is not a class. It is like a class. It is similar like a class. It is not a class. Whatever we learned, it is not like, as a house, as a class, it is not like that. It has a different features regarding to that. For the abstract class, okay? But the abstract keyword has a different importance. We are not at all talked about it up to now. We are talking about only inheritance. After that, multiple inheritance. In the multiple inheritance, we find a problem and we are finding a solution with the interface. Now with the interface, what are the ways we can able to do that to overcome that problem? Okay, so these are the things we did. Now with the interface, what are the rules are there and how we are able to use those interfaces, which we are discussing right now. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the way we are connecting the dots. We are not going to jump from one place to another place. The dots is going very clearly here. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me the answer again. Can we able to do that or not?
Within the class, if where we implement, we can't do that.
We can't do that.
No.
Okay. Clear or not?
Yeah.
Guys,
yes.
don't confuse yourself going to the some X concept and bringing up here and make it some disturbances, how it is going to be happen, why it is not going to be happen. It's good. But the point is like, if we are already discussed about it, you can bring everything. If we did not discuss about it, make it very simple and concentrate what we discussed. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as Indira and other people said, we are not able to do that because interface, you have to implement all the methods. That's everyone knows, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the base question, which I was asking yesterday. You have 1000 methods. In that, I want to use only one method. So which is implemented into the class. So can I able to do that or not? Yes, you cannot do that. Okay, you need to implement all the 1000 methods. That's clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you guys are not clear, let me know. I'll put it into another way. Okay. You are clear, right, about it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the question was, why do I need to implement all the methods? That was the question. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Even though I want to use only one method, do I need to implement all the methods? Everything everyone saying is, boss, it is a rule, you have to implement. But what I was asking is why? What is the reason here? Now the reason is, for example, can you remove the few methods here, Saurabh? Can you comment it? No, select from 16 to 21, select.
Yes.
Control Shift right slash. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you go a little bit up? So it is showing error here. So that means it is saying like, boss, you need to implement all the methods. That's everyone knows it. But the reason is when, if you see an interface, basically you will see only the signatures. You will not able to see any implementation, right? That's the first point. The
Yes.
second point is like, for an interface, there is no constructor.
Yes.
Right? So if you don't have a constructor, are you able to create an object?
No.
No. Okay. Even though if you are able to create an object to that, you cannot able to use any of the method because there is no implementation at all. Right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now, coming to the point here, when an interface is implemented here, that means all the methods of this interface is available in this class or not?
Yes.
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 So when this interface, everything is available here, that means the methods which is available does not have a body. Okay, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
If the methods does not have a body, that means like if you are able to create an object to that particular class, are you able to use those methods?
No.
You can't. So that means if the methods does not have a body, that's automatically it does not have a constructor. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the link here. So when an interface implemented here, all the methods is available in this class, even though you're able to see or you're not able to see here, but those methods are available. Correct? So that is the reason you have to implement all the methods because you are not able to create an object. If you are not able to create an object to the class, you cannot able to use it at all. Right? That is the reason we have to create, we have to implement all the methods. That is why the name, the keyword for an interface is given as a implements. You need to implement all the methods from the interface into the class. So this is the connection. Get it?
I didn't get that part. Method and constructor. Interface doesn't have any constructor. I get that. But what about methods? If they don't have the body, they don't have the constructor. I didn't.
No. See, if, I just want to add that one. If the methods are available here, are you able to use those methods which is does not have a body?
No.
That's pretty much simple. So you are not able to use at all, right? If you are not able to use at all, that means you cannot able to create an object automatically.
Yes.
When you are not able to create an object, that means you are this, whatever the properties which is available in the interface, it is already coming here also, right?
Yes.
So that is what I was saying. You have to have a body for each and every method for creating an object and using those methods. Got it?
Yeah, so what object does it? It gives us freedom to select which one we want because they already have their own bodies. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That is the reason here. So Indira, you are very much near, but just you need to connect a dot. That means you have all the methods, but if you want to create an object to the class, but all those methods does not have a body where you cannot able to use it at all. So that's the reason you need to implement all the methods from an interface into the class. Get it?
Yes.
Guys, any confusion? Anything? I mean, Joshna.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
Everyone? Or confused? If you are confused, I will just write a program and I'll show you.
It's better.
Can you do that?
Okay. Guys, it is very straightforward. There is nothing, I mean, it is different, but I'll show you that. Okay. Okay, interface 2. So, see, in the interface, how many methods? Interface 2, how many methods are there?
5.
5 methods, right?
Yeah.
So you clear about this one, right? 5 methods are there in the interface which does not have a body.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that means what are the properties of this? What are the rules of this interface? So always this one does not have a body and you don't have a constructor of a particular interface. If you don't have a constructor, you cannot create an object for this interface, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yep.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you are clear this one, then we'll go to the implementation. Now I'm in the implements the interface 2. Okay. So now how many methods are there in the test 2?
5.
5 methods.
Yes.
One second, like,
5
we'll
methods,
ask the
yes.
people. Nageshwari, how many methods are there? 5 methods. Where did it come?
It comes from interface 1. I'm sorry, interface 2.
From the interface 2, right?
Yes.
Now, are you able to see the 5 methods here?
No.
But those 5 methods are available in this class. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you can see, like, it will, the backside of the class, it is available, something you can just imagine. So, but those 5 methods are available here, right? Okay. Now, Lavanya, those 5 methods has a body in this test 2 class.
Test 2 class. No, we have to.
Now, those 5 methods, which is coming from the interface 2, has a body or not?
Body, okay, yes or no?
Now, exactly right now. So I have implemented this interface 2 here. So those 5 methods are available in this one, but it is, you are not able to visible, but it is available, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me those 5 methods, which is coming from the interface 2, is available here, the body or not? Huh?
You, body.
Those method has implementation or not? Are you understanding my question, Lavanya?
Yeah, no. Test 2 5 methods.
Simple, Lavanya. See, interface 2, how many methods are there?
Interface 2 5 methods.
5 methods. So
Test
this
2
method has a body?
No, we have to give in after implementation.
We don't have a body here.
Body
Okay.
here.
Correct?
We have.
So that is why it is belongs to an interface, right?
Yeah.
That is the rule. Okay. Now coming to here, I have implemented this interface 2 in the test 2.
Test 2.
Okay. Now how many methods are available here in the test 2?
5 methods.
5 methods. Those 5 methods has a body?
No.
Right now. No, right?
No, we have to provide body.
So we have to provide the body because it is just implemented here. It came here, but we did not give any body for that.
Body.
Whatever the structure it is available in the interface, that structure is available here, right?
Yes.
Okay. What I do, from this interface too, I want to use only one method. So I have implemented only one method, right? Sai Shri.
Yes, sir.
So I have implemented only one method, Sai Shri, here. How many methods are balanced now?
4.
4 methods are balanced. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, so it is saying like I have to create the object for the test2 class, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, Shri, how many methods I can able to use with these objects from the test2 class? How many methods I am able to use with this object? Am I able to call and implement? I mean, to execute.
To execute whatever is there in interface 2.
Whatever there in the interface 2. So, okay. Now, here, if you see here, all the methods are available, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I call add one, what will happen? If I call add one, what will happen?
That will be called.
That will be called, okay. That will be called. Come on, go ahead. It will execute and it will give the output.
Not sure.
I mean, see,
we have 5 things in.
Okay. We have 5 methods, Sai Shri.
Yes, sir.
So when you go here, these 5 methods are available in the test2 now.
Test2.
Okay. Now, what I'm doing, I have created an object for the test2 class so that I can get all the 5 methods here. Right?
Right.
Add 1, add 2, add 3, add 4. Right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I call add, what will the output?
I am the first method that will come.
This is the, it will print, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, obj dot add 1. Okay. Now, what is output of this?
Add 1, we did not give anything yet.
Add 1, we did not get given anything yet. So, do you think like any output would be available?
No, sir.
No, right? Clear, right? See,
yes,
see,
sir.
From the interface to this add 1, it comes here directly. Here also, Here also it is available like this also, like this only, right?
Yes, sir. But nothing will print in add1 because we did not give anything.
We did not given any body at all. See, all these four
Yes,
methods
sir.
are available, but we did not given any body here.
Yes, sir.
So if we did not given any body, are you able to use these methods?
No.
So if you are not able to use any methods, 100% you need to give a
Body to it.
we need to give a body to it, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you give a body to it, then only you can able to execute and it will come, right?
Yes.
So that means if you did not give a body, I mean, if you did not implement those methods, then automatically those methods, it is the bodiless here, just like an interface. If it is just like an interface, what you are gonna be do with that? You cannot do anything, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason you must implement all the methods which is implemented from that interface. That is the theory.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, everyone. So all team A, team C, and team D, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Lavanya, Karan,
Yeah, no.
Yeah, ma.
clear?
Yes, yes.
I mean, don't say yes for now. See, the point is like, you have to understand this point. This is really, really important. So we are not telling something extra, which no one knows. It is so easy and it is straightforward here, right? I mean, if you have any questions, let me know. We'll again discuss about it. But until you clear, don't go to the next step. This was the first rule I said. You have to be clear. Come on, ask the questions. If you did not understand, we'll analyze it.
Understand. Ma'am.
Are you clear?
Yeah, I'm clear.
We understood, sir.
Yeah, we got it.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. We got it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, like team A, team B, team C, and team D. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, whatever the question I was asking you yesterday, it is make sense, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Very good. Now, one question to the people. See, Karan.
Yeah.
If I create a method in the interface like private void sum, okay, and I implemented that interface into the class, okay.
Okay.
And I said one method, right? I have two methods. One is private void sum, and other one is public void add. So these are the two methods are there in the interface, and I implemented that interface into the class. Now, how many methods are available in the class?
Only one, right? Because we have to, all the methods should be public in the interface.
All the methods should be the public, right?
Yeah.
First of all, we cannot do that because the rule is in an interface, you have to have a public method only, because that is dependent on another class, right? It is not solo. Correct?
Yeah.
So you cannot make anything as a private. You have to be dependent on others. You have to give these things to the others so that they will implement and they will give you some word. Until then, it is nothing, right?
Yeah.
So that's why it should be a public method.
Public.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is everyone agree or any other second thoughts on this?
No.
We agree, sir.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Leela, I have an interface 1 of 3 methods.
Okay.
And I have an interface 2 of 4 methods.
Okay.
And the interface 1 is extends in the interface 2.
Okay.
And I have a class which is implemented by the interface 2, and it has another 3 methods. Total, how many methods are there in the class?
Yeah, 10 methods.
How?
Actually, interface 1 3 methods, and interface 2 4 methods, total 7. We extended interface 1 with interface 2. Then in the implemented class, I have 3 methods, total 10.
Total 10 methods. Correct?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Do I need to implement all the methods in the class?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If I did not implement, can I able to do that?
Yeah, yes, sir. No, you can implement all the 10 classes.
We need to implement all the classes, all the methods, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Guys, because
Can I say something?
who's this?
Sort of.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
We need to implement all the 7 methods definitely, but its own 3 methods, that is our choice. We need to implement that or not.
No, those 3 methods belong to the class, right? So we are
Yes.
talking about only the implemented methods from the
Yeah,
interface.
yeah, then they are, yes.
Okay, correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Understand?
Yes.
Jyoshna,
Sir.
similar type of question.
Okay.
I have interface 1
Okay.
of 4 methods. I have interface 2 of 2 public methods and 2 private methods.
Okay.
Okay, so interface 1 has 4 methods, interface 2 also 4 methods, 2 are public and 2 are private.
Okay.
And I have a class which is implement interface 1 and interface 2.
So private will not implement Anna because
Okay,
the
private
rule
will.
itself public.
Okay, so I'll made all the things also public. As you said, I made in the interface 2 also public, right?
Yes.
In the class, I am implementing interface 1 and interface 2. And also I have in the class another 3 methods. So total how many methods?
So in interface 4 methods,
Hmm.
and interface 2 3. Totally
Interface 2 also 4 methods.
8 methods Anna.
And interface, I mean in the class, 3 methods already there. So total how many methods in the class?
We can't from interface 1 and interface 2 we can call this method. We can implement no Anna.
Understand the question, Jyoshna? I have interface 1 of 4 methods.
Okay.
I have interface 2 of 4 methods. Okay. And in the class, I implemented both the interface 1 and interface 2. Okay. And also in the class, I have another 3 methods. Now total how many methods are there?
11.
No.
How means interface 1 4 and here 4 and we in the class 3.
That's good. So these are the methods which we need to implement. So total methods in the class is 11.
Yes.
Very good. Nice. Okay. Right. Now, any questions on the interface? If you did not understand anything, any questions on that? You have any thoughts? Any clarifications?
Can you go to interface 1?
Okay.
Interface 1, she said, I think.
So you want to go to the interface
Oh, no,
one?
it's okay. It's okay. It's in the interface 2. I wanted to see the rules.
Okay. Oh, you want to see the rules?
Yeah. Actually, there is something like all the methods will not have a body. But is this for only a non-static method or for static methods too?
You already did, right? For the static methods, you can write a body.
Yes.
Yeah. At that case, we don't need to implement that static method, right?
Yeah, because already body is available, right?
So if we don't implement that, we can also run the program.
Yes, of course. Because the simple thing, right?
Yeah. The body. Yeah.
Then we make all the programs as a static. Then we call only one program is done. Right?
Yeah.
We call one method also. Right?
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Everyone is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we'll go to another concept called abstract. Okay. Okay. Abstract and interface both are similar. That means it has similar type of properties, but it is not same. It is have very similar properties. Now, abstract is a class. Interface is normal, whatever the interface it is, right?
Yes.
Abstract is a class. Now, we'll see the properties of these two. Interface, all the methods should be a
Public.
Public.
right? That's a class. The class means you can have a both private and public, right?
Yes.
Okay. In interface, all the methods will not have a body, but in the abstract class, may and may not. Okay, if you want, you can write it. If you don't want, you no need to be. Okay. And third one, interface does not have a constructor. Abstract class is also not having a constructor. Okay. So basically, abstract class is a hybrid mixed with the interface plus class.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So whatever the things we discuss, basically for a class, it will have the both the public methods and private methods, right?
Yes.
And class have all the methods should be have a body, right?
In class, all right. Yes.
In a class. Now, for an interface, all the methods should be public.
Yes.
Right? And in the interface, all the methods does not have any body. Right?
Yes.
Now you mix together. If you mix together, abstract class is the one where it has public method and private method. First point.
Okay.
And abstract class will have body for some methods, may not have body for some methods. It's up to you. Depends on your requirement. Okay.
Okay.
And abstract class doesn't have a constructor. Okay.
Yes.
Now, we will see a little bit deeply. That's correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if you see the abstract class, it is mixing of this interface and class. We have to say abstract class, okay? All the methods in an abstract class might okay,
Yes.
may or may not have a body, and it is coming from the interface, right? May not have a body is from the interface,
part.
may is from the class.
Class.
Now, can you tell me one thing? If does not have a body, do you think we'll have a constructor?
No.
No.
Oh. Okay, if you does not have a constructor,
You can't
then
create object.
are you able to create an object?
No.
No.
But if we have a body, we can create a constructor, right? We have a default, right?
What was it, Harsha?
Current, sir.
Karan? Yes, Karan.
In the second point, you said may or may not have a body, right? If we have a body, we can have a constructor in the class, right?
If you have a body, so you will say like, boss, I have an abstract class. I have a 3 methods. All the 3 methods I have implemented the body. So can I able to do that?
Okay.
But there is a chance you can able to write in the abstract class without the body also, right?
Yeah.
If you are able to write without the body, if you are able to write without the body, so can I give you permission to create an object for you?
No.
No, right? So in the future also, there is a chance you can able to write without a body. A method you can write without a body, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, I cannot able to give you a permission like, now you have a body, I can give you permission to create an object. After some time, if you did not say like, I want to add a method without have a body, then you can take it out. So that's, I cannot, may or may not, I cannot do that, right? So I need to stick to the rule. If you are able to write a method without a body means I cannot give a permission to create an object. That means it does not have a constructor at all. Okay.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
So abstract class, don't confuse with the abstraction and abstract. It sounds to be very similar. Okay. We are talking about abstract class alone. Previously, we have seen abstraction. That is one of the type of a object-oriented concepts. Now we are talking about a class, abstract class. Okay. Be clear and be specific on this. Get it?
Yes.
Now, if you see, here is a class. For interface, what we do in the class? if you want to use this interface, what you need to do?
Implement.
You need to implement. This is the class. So what you need to do this? It is a
Extend.
you need to extend it. What was the Saurav was showing initially was it is a extend because it's a class, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so whatever the methods is available in the abstract class, if you want to use those methods, 100% what you need to do? It is a dependent again, right? It is a similar like a dependent of interface. It is also a dependent. It has to extend in another class. Then only you can able to use the methods of a abstract class. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you are not able to create an object for the abstract class. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys, clear?
Yep.
So this is about a abstract class. Now you can do the examples and understand and play with this. So, okay, you have an interface and you have a abstract class. How do you do that? How do you extend it? How do you implement it? So what is the advantage of this abstract class? What is the disadvantage of the interface? Okay, all these things you can see now. Now, the point here is in the abstract class, you can able to write some method body. In the interface, you cannot able to do that. Rest of the things is pretty much same. Okay. But only the thing like it is a class, so that you need to extend it.
Extend it.
Interface is an interface, so you need to implement it. That's only the difference. Okay. Get it?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Guys, confused or clear?
Clear on.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Team A, clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Team B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Team C?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay, how about the team D?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I feel like team D is little bit confused. Is it so?
No.
Lavanya, Leela Prasad, Vignesh.
No.
Understand, sir.
Clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
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 Okay, that's fine. What happened? Okay. Any other questions, guys, with the abstract class?
No.
Sure.
Yeah. What if we mention anything abstract in method?
We'll come to later. How about the abstract methods will work? First of all, about the abstract class.
Okay. Yeah. Then no.
We'll go step by step, guys. Okay. So we are not going to be jump to the another level. So because when you connect the dot from one dot to another, then only the line would form. Okay. So then we'll see each and everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I have a question now. Then if you are clear, very clear, then I'll ask you questions.
Yeah.
I'll go with okay. I go with Monica.
Yes, sir.
Monica, like I have an interface of 5 methods.
Okay,
And
sir.
those methods is implemented in the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I want to access only the interface methods. What should I do? How should I create an object for that?
Okay, sir. So interface 2 or interface 1 space object name is equal to new of that class. I mean constructor, which will be the same as the class name. Then we can access
Which class it is? Which class it is?
class B, for example. So if the instructor, I mean the interface is interface 1, and if the class is class A, for example, and if you want to access only methods of interface 1, and not the methods of class A here, for example, then we can create an object like interface 1 space obj is equal to new A.
Very good.
Yeah.
That is implemented class, we can say.
Yeah, sir. Implemented class.
Implemented class, right?
Yes.
Okay. Leela.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I have a interface 1 of 3 methods.
Okay.
I have an interface 2 of 5 methods, and I extend interface 1, okay?
Okay.
Into the interface 2.
Okay.
And I implemented interface 2. I implemented interface 1 in the class. Now I want to access the interface 2 methods.
I didn't get the question.
Oh, God.
Okay. Simple. I have interface 1 of 3 methods. Okay.
Okay.
I have an interface 2 of 5 methods.
Okay.
In this interface 2, I extended interface 1.
Okay.
And I implemented interface 1.
Okay.
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 I want to access in the class of interface 2.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to do that.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
How?
Create an object for that that class. We already implement.
Create an object for that?
No.
Okay, we'll see.
No, we can't.
What?
Actually, that interface extend interface, but we want to interface to.
Yes. Correct. Go ahead, Leela.
I'm getting a bit confused.
You're confused?
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, interface 1. 3 methods.
3 methods. Interface.
Yeah.
Interface 2. 5 methods. Extends interface 1.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have a class implements interface 1. Now I want to access interface 2.
No.
No. We are extends only interface 2, not interface 1.
Are you sure? Because you have extended the interface 1 in the interface 2.
Yeah.
So are you not able to access interface 2?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Actually, we are extending interface 1, not interface 2.
That's good. So because we have only interface 1, we did not implement the interface 2 here. Okay?
Yes.
Not extends, Lila, we implements.
Yes.
Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Okay. Next. So these abstract class, all these things you can try today. So we'll meet tomorrow and discuss little bit further, and we'll go to the another concepts. Okay.
Okay.
But make sure try all permutations, combinations, and see what you can able to do or not in the abstract and interface, so that come up with the questions we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. So any questions before sign off?
Moulali, we asked something at Saturday, I think.
I forgot. See, I'm not getting that right. Okay. I'll remember. I'll look into that. The static one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I'll see that. I'll look into that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Any other?
No.
Okay then. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.